Hey, how's it going, guys? Mark here with another video. Today I want to have a portfolio update and I want to dive into the overall market as well as into Tesla stock. So today we are down $974. It's been a pretty brutal day, a pretty brutal week, not gonna lie. We're just having so much volatility leading up to the election, and we're just in some crazy times right now. And the market is definitely showing it because I think for a while we were kind of pricing in the expectation that we were going to have a stimulus package and a second stimulus check. And since everyone kind of priced it in and was buying into the market, assuming we were going to get it, and it kept getting prolonged, it was only a matter of time before it was going to have a heavy crash, and especially when news came out saying that we weren't going to be having any stimulus until after the election. So I think that's kind of what's going on right now. Yeah, so right now we're down $978, about 2.82% in the overall portfolio. The past week, down 1,761, which is pretty brutal. The past month, almost 3K. It's pretty brutal, 7.69%. Over the past 3 months, we're only up $91. That's pretty rough. But over the past year, we're up about 15%, which I'll still take. 15% is still good to me in my eyes. My S&P 500 call for November 20th. Let's hope it recovers. I really expected it kind of a bounce up. I thought we were going to have stimulus by now, but we don't. So obviously the overall market is crashing, and my S&P 500 call is not looking too good here. We're down about $1,600, almost $1,700 on it, which really is unfortunate. But that's the name of the game when you're options trading. Either you make a lot or you lose a lot. Hypothetically, if you really you have the chance to do that at least. But let's look at the overall market before we get into Tesla. I mean, overall, we're so bloody. I mean, look at all the tech stocks, huge sell-offs. Apple's huge sell-off, Nvidia, Amazon, Tesla, Square, Microsoft. It's just massive sell-offs. The overall market, I mean, I want to look at the 1 year. The 1 year, this looks kind of scary, guys. We're kind of breaking some support down. I could see us, I know I've been talking about, if you watch my videos, from here to the kind of megaphone pattern. If we break underneath this candle right here, I would be potentially worried that we'll have a kind of a free fall action, but I'm not super worried about it because we're getting really close to the election, and the sooner we get to the election, the sooner the crazy moves are going to be happening in the overall market, in my personal opinion. This isn't financial advice. I just like to give you guys my 2 cents. It's for entertainment purposes only. I just like to talk about what I think's going on in the market personally. But yeah, so I really think that it could potentially waterfall down if it breaks down below that specific candle, maybe even this support right here. If it breaks down below, let's say 298, then I might be pretty worried. But for the short term, that is. But long term, the overall market is going to bounce back. It's going to rebound. It's going to recover eventually. But anyways, let's look into Tesla right now. Because Tesla, I mean, guys, today was just a brutal day. I mean, this past week has been a brutal day. But I mean, if you look at the overall day, we just had a massive sell-off, and what did we start off at? We started off pre-market at 407, and we bottomed out at 381. That's pretty crazy, actually, being down 5.5%, about $1.05 or 0.27% in after hours. I mean, that's not that crazy when you're talking Tesla. Tesla's pretty volatile, and with what's going on in the overall market, I mean, it is what it is. I mean, I kind of expected a big sell-off when I saw what was going on today and over the past couple of days. I mean, I'm talking, guys, I think that on Monday, if we have more of a sell-off, I'm going to be buying in some more Tesla because right now it's cheap, and I would love to own some more of it. I think right now is a great entry point. Over the past week, we had constant downwards motion, down $24.77, which was about 6.02%. Yeah, that's a big sell-off. It's a good time to buy in my opinion. Over the past 3 months, we're still up 33%, which is incredible. Over the past 1 month, we're down 8.15%. I really think right now is a good time to buy in. I really like this 3-month chart. I would love to. I think we've got some room to go up here in the short term. But like I said, there's a lot going on right now. If you're talking about the United States presidential election, along with the pandemic, along with stimulus package news and people getting money and not getting money. It's a really emotional and uncertain time, and the markets are definitely letting us know that. The year chart still looks pretty good to me. I mean, we're kind of consolidating here, which is, I really like to see that. I really think we're probably going to pop out here in the next couple months. I really believe that Tesla long term, I would love to see it. I don't even think that, of course, I'd love to see it, but I really think that $1,200 is a reasonable target here in the next 5 years. I really think that this is super, super cheap right now. Over the past 5 years, we're finally get some red candles on the 5-year chart, which honestly, I'm okay with that. You need a little red after you get all this crazy green. It's just inevitable. And right now, how the market's going, I think it's better it's happening now than if it continued to go up for a heavier correction. So I really think this is good and healthy. It's just all the uncertainty, like I said, been going on in the market. But right now, I think is a great time to buy in. I think on Monday, if we have more of a sell-off, I'm going to buy in. And maybe nothing crazy, probably like a share or two. But I really am thinking about buying more in here on Monday. If we stay around the 385 range or go below it, I'm going to buy some more. But yeah, guys, I mean, I just want to talk about the Tesla price action for today and my overall portfolio. We're definitely down a lot, but, that's okay. I'll tell you what you shouldn't do and what I'm not doing is selling. Right now, you might be thinking, oh my gosh, I'm losing so much money, I need to sell. Don't do it. Do not. Just follow your strategy of the more time that you spend in the market, the more money you make, and it's not about timing the market. And I really believe that you'll make money if you stay with that strategy. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a like. I'm going to continue making these videos for you guys, these portfolio updates, and just talking about my overall portfolio and see if how high we can get it up. And yeah, guys, see you later. Bye.